What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be going for a test drive in this 1960 Impala. It does have a 348 up under the hood. Nice, smooth running motor. This car has a 4-speed in it. Should be a decent test drive. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I do post videos almost every single day. You can also hit the notification bell to let you know when I post them. That way you don't miss a car. Also check out maplemotors.com. You can see all of our inventory. We do have financing and shipping available. All right, guys, it's that time. We're about to go for a ride. Gonna look around the interior before we take off. Go ahead. Do you think the horn works? I don't have a pole anymore because YouTube took it away, but you can place your bets at home. Like I said, I'm gonna look around the interior, check this car out. It looks pretty clean. Somebody's redone a lot of it that needed it. Headliner's new. Looks like the package tray was new. Do have some extra panels like the headliner and the package tray, the old one, in the trunk. We're trying some stuff out here. We'll go ahead and start it up. See, our gauges are coming up. Our oil pressure's at 50. Our engine temp's at 180. Little squeaky belt. The oil pressure jumps up to 70 once you get on it. The radio has been on and it's not working. Figured it wouldn't. I believe those are tubed. The fan motor would not cut on for the blower, so it needs a blower motor. And the wipers, I couldn't get them to cut on either. It's all hooked up under the hood. I messed with the switch a little bit. Just couldn't get them to work, so. We'll be checking everything else out. It's showing 14,000 miles on the dash. You know, being that's a 60 model, I'm gonna say that's not true. So I can't stand behind mileage on these older cars. All right, horn. There's no spring. I can't go beat without a spring. All right, guys. Let's take off down the road, see how she handles. All right, getting ready to take off here. Anything that I see, I will let you know about. We're gonna go for a test drive here. Clutch is letting out about halfway on this one. Check my brakes before I get rolling out into the road too far. It's a big car. It's like a boat going down the road. Throttle's a little sticky. That's why it took off like that. This guy's wanting to race this big boat. Look at him. Goof off with him a little bit. No way this big heavy car is going to win against that car. The steering wheel's off a little bit, but it's nice and sensitive. There's no slack in the steering at all. And the brakes feel pretty good. They're not pulling a little left or right. Gonna be heading over to the gas station too. Sounded good, man.
Hey, so how much did the Camaro bring, the black one?
That one was $89.50.
It's gone?
Yeah, it's gone for sure.
My son saw it, just wanted to go down and take a look at it. I thought
Beep! The car sounded good. What's funny is the throttle's actually kind of sticking, so it's like launching this car and it kind of looks like I'm wanting to race him. That's funny. Yeah, what I'm gonna do when I get back, my car was actually sticking too on the throttle where it's kind of like lunging before it, like that. I'm not actually pushing the throttle like that on purpose. But I get a little WD-40 and run it through the lines and then check it up at the carburetor and get it loosened up. Either way, that was fun. All right. Up here at the gas station, I'm gonna throw about $20 worth of premium fuel in this car. I wanna see if the gas hand comes up. You put it in right here behind the tag. And we'll be checking that fuel gauge here in just a moment. So our gas gauge is right here on the right side, and you see it's coming up to half a tank. It is working. Good deal. Get ready to pull out of the gas station here. Head over to the parking lot. Just pulling out nice and easy. Big old boat's nice and smooth. That throttle, like I said, trying to push it down, but it just take off on. I sure wish we'd have had something fast like that green Camaro on the lot to go mess with that guy. Maybe I'd have been able to stand a chance. That car sounded wicked. There ain't no way this big old boat's gonna do anything with him. Hey, if you want to see what I use for all my camera setups, you can look below in the description. I also have the Amazon link to one of these on there. A lot of people ask all the time what I'm using, so just look right below the video here. I'm gonna pull over in this parking lot, get some outside shots, and we're gonna drive by the camera, listen to it, and I'm gonna drive over the camera so you can get some undercarriage shots. And then we'll head back to the lot. So I noticed on this one the emergency brake is not working. So I just bumped it up in the curb there. Make sure I got y'all pointed down enough here. It's kind of popping the throttle a little bit. It kind of loosened up too. So I think if I just run some WD-40 through the line, it should help quite a bit on the stickiness. Wait for some of this traffic to get by so that I can pull out here. Because I do want the wind. It is scorching. It's going in all the gears nice and smooth. The clutch feels great. The suspension on this thing is awesome. Like I said in the beginning, it feels like I'm in a boat floating down the road. That's all I think about when I get in these big old cars. The temperature on this car did get to about 210 in the parking lot back there, as you can see. It's right at 210 now. It's kind of going down now that we're getting some air passing through it. But it is also like 98 degrees here today, so. Oil pressure's still holding around 55, 60 as we're driving down the road. No less than 40 at idle. It's definitely a good driver. Speedometer's not working on this. I failed to mention that because of a little bit of excitement that I had at the beginning of the video. Big old bump in the road here kind of gives you an idea on suspension. This thing, you can hardly even tell we hit it. When you do hit the brakes, I've noticed now it's starting to pull to the right a little bit. I believe it's drum brakes all the way around on this one. So you pick up any little bit of dirt, it'll start grabbing one way or the other. There's nobody behind me. I'm going to this parking lot. It'll be all right. Pulling off in the lot here. Like I said, I'm gonna get some WD-40 on that gas pedal there. That way I don't feel like I'm goosing it every time I touch it, because that's practically what I've been doing to this test drive because it's so sticky. All right, guys, thanks for riding with us. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures to see all of our inventory up here. We do have financing and shipping information located on that site as well. If you want to hit that subscribe button, I try to post videos every single day. We do our best to keep everything updated and 2 videos of each car on the lot. I do appreciate y'all, and thanks again. Y'all have a good one.